or it's going to be the basis if instead of 1 byte it's 3. Okay. So consider the following subspace of R3. Just a little second. Yes. اوكي مش هتستحملوا البروجكشن. اوكي خليني بس اقول دوت واقف لغايه البروجكشن هكمله بكره. بس لازم لما تجي بكره تكون you did study this lecture of today. Okay, if f is x1, x2, x3, and these are the result, or exactly is explaining what's happening in the previous example. Okay, that's an equation of a plan. Then a1, a2, a3 dot x1, x2, x3 is going to equal to 0, which means a1, a2, a3 is a normal vector on this plan. For an x1, x2, x2, x3 belongs to f, we obtain a1, a2, a3 is an orthogonal, as I told you exactly in the previous example. If you remember, just a second, I want to show it to you. For this problem, 1, negative 2, 3 is normal vector. On all of set of vectors satisfying this condition. See, these are the steps. The final result is 1, negative, and 3. This is what's stated in this slide and this subparagraph. Also, f is a subset of R3, is a subspace of all solutions for linear system Ax equal to 0. This is what I depend on in evaluating the values of the basis of the subvector spaces previously. Okay, now if I have once more x minus 2y plus z equal to 0 and g of this condition and that condition, okay, get the normal vector on each of them, have the normal vector on each of these two vectors. Remember that these two subvector spaces were orthogonal complements of each other. The 1, negative 2, 3, with then a subvector space orthogonal on it. So if I want to do this, this is very, very simple. This is 1, negative 2, and 3. That's 2, 0, negative 1, 0, 1, negative 3. So that's both of them are perpendicular on each other, confirming that 1 plus 2 is equal to 3, the dimension of f plus the dimension of the orthogonal complement. The sum of them would be R3. Okay? I will stop at this slide and I will continue tomorrow and finish this chapter. This slide, okay, it's explaining to you how to represent a vector as a projection in a subvector space plus a projection of this vector in its orthogonal complement. So all what I said or what we did go through today is very important to be studied till tomorrow because I will continue on it. Okay? Thank you very much.